So today I'm going to show you how to clean and care for one of your Duluth packs. First I'm going to start with our canvas cleaner. So you can spray this on something like a rag there, spray that on there, and then on anywhere where there's a little bit of dirt on your pack, you can just kind of rub the canvas cleaner into the canvas. And this will help to remove any dirt or dust that collects on the canvas. It's important to clean your bag for sure at least once a year, if not twice a year, because if you don't clean your bag, the canvas is going to age a lot faster and it'll wear a lot faster. But if you keep your bag clean and keep the dirt off of it, your canvas is going to stay looking a lot better for a lot longer.
Hey everybody, Grant from marketing here at Duluth Pack. Gavin's talking about how to clean and care for your backpacks and all of your Duluth Pack goods. I bought this backpack when I started at Duluth Pack, and admittedly, I haven't done a very good job, and I haven't taken care of the leather on my straps. Leather is skin, and every skin needs a lotion or it will dry and crack. With leather, if you let it go long enough, it will dehydrate and actually break. If you take care of your leathers, it'll last forever. So here you can see straps are broken in, and you can kind of see the start of the cracking happening. So you can see these little ripples. On the back side, you can see it's pretty dry. So what I'm going to do first is just take a wet cloth and add some leather cleaner. So you can spray this down fairly well, get it nice and wet, and I'm just going to make sure that I'm getting all of the dirt out, and that'll make sure you can get the leather dressing that I'm going to use next into the grain. We don't care what you use, we just want to make sure that you do use something. If you have any leather cleaner or leather conditioner at home, absolutely use that. Otherwise, we do sell it at duluthpack.com. So there's not a ton coming off of this. This towel is pretty dirty to begin with, but you may notice a little bit of brown lifting off. This pack is over 5 years old already. So chances are whatever dye you've used is no longer going to be leaking out. It's going to be pretty well set. With new bags, well, with any bag, make sure that you are not soaking your pack. Definitely don't ever put it through the washing machine. Certainly don't put it through the dryer. But new packs sometimes can bleed if they get too wet. So. And I'll clean this top strap too. And back here. All right, so now I'm just going to go to the other side of the cloth and grab our leather dressing. Now, you cannot overdo it. Basically, you want to make sure that you get good, solid coverage all the way over your leathers, all sides, including the edges, and you're going to see this soak it right up. Again, I haven't done this in the 5+ years that I've owned this pack, so it was pretty dry and it will absorb pretty well. So I'm just overdoing it. You can see I got some on the canvas here. It's wax canvas, that's not a big deal. That will come off. You can also get canvas cleaner and clean that right up. So I'm just working it in. You don't really have to rub it in, just make sure it's all soaked over the top and can absorb. Getting every single edge in the back, and now the back side of the strap here. making sure that I always have enough to fully saturate. You can't overdo it. Don't worry about getting it on your canvas. Just make sure that you get enough product onto your leather to hydrate. You can let this soak overnight, wipe off all the excess the next day. You can't really see it here. See if I can show you. The back was really dry, so it's taking a lot of this leather dressing to soak in. We also have leather creams that come in like a circular jar, and they're a little bit more solidified, like a almost like a gel. I don't know if that's the right way to describe it, but it's a little less viscous, more viscous. I don't know. And there you go. You just repeat that across all the leather areas of your bag and let it hydrate.
All right, now I'm just gonna show you what it'll look like if you don't condition your leather. So this is one of our original canoe packs. It's about 140 years old, and this leather hasn't been taken care for. It's a little stretched out. It's really cracked. It is definitely not as strong as it used to be. This one right here, this cracked completely off.